Hi, my friend. Welcome back again. Remember, I've been posting about this building, 3-story. They're putting this is the fire resistant. Next time we're gonna put the cement sheet. And this is the collarbone, and it's nearly done. So already finished for the day. I'm just putting the niche. So that's the bath. That's the niche. I just want to make sure it's level. So now I just want to put the screw, and that's it for the day. Next time we're going to put the slide door or the pocket door. We already start for the first unit. This is the second unit. I'm gonna put it later. So yeah, that's it guys for now. I just finished the job and all good. That's it guys for today. Just put, yeah, that's the bath, the shower there, and then here where you put your stuff, whatever, shampoo, soap, and things like that. So this is how we put it. Later on they're going to put the silicone around, and yeah, that's, let me show you that's the manual, and we already measure, we already put it, and then the last one, and then gonna put the silicone. Yeah, that's it guys for today, and please don't forget to subscribe I need a couple of subscriptions so that I can go live to show you things what happened behind the scene in construction. Yeah, so that's it, guys.